Hello everybody. So some guy came up to me when I was playing outside and he said, "Hey kid, you want some candy?" And I said, "Yes, mister, I want some candy." And then he told me I have some candy in my van. Just come over to my van. And I said, "Okay, mister." And then I went over to his van and it was one of those school vans. It was white with some words on it. Then he said he'll only give me candy if I make him this thing and if you like the video. So please like the video so I can get my candy. So if you've seen some of my other videos, you'll know that the first step of making something is cutting the wood. However, this one was quite difficult because my table saw isn't meant to cut full sheets of OSB. So I had my dad helping me and we were testing out if it would pass all the other tools. So somewhere around here the piece ended up wandering away from the fence and pinching the saw. So we had to try to balance it so that we can finish the cut. So the start of this project was definitely not fun. It was just basically torture testing my table saw. Now I had to rip down a 3-meter long board. Probably could have cut it into shorter pieces before, but I didn't do that for some reason. Okay, so I'm trying to squeeze the jointer through a small gap. Now I'm squaring up the sides, making them straight on the jointer. Okay, so this part was really fun. I really like balancing long pieces on the jointer and risking cutting off my fingers some fucking way. Oh, and this is the fun part, balancing the long pieces on this narrow cutting jig. Okay, now it's time to screw it all up. But I mean with actual screws. Can you imagine me not fucking anything up for once? I'm using the best screws money can buy. Some drywall screws, but hey, they had a sale, so a deal's a deal, you know? Why buy wood screws when you can get drywall screws for cheaper? Oh, if you're wondering about the measurements, it's about 190 centimeters tall and like 90 wide. I spared you from seeing how I routed out the grooves for the OSB to fit in, but I am showing you the hell of drilling a bunch of holes with a hole saw. Holy shit, this took a long time. I went through many drill batteries, almost burnt up 2 drills, and the drill started smoking on me, so that's just great. Okay, so now I'm making a holder for the ball in the shape of a horseshoe, because I found a design like that on Pinterest and I liked it. After drilling a bunch of holes and cutting big ass wood pieces, I got to do something I kinda enjoy, which is using hand tools. It was really refreshing using a handsaw for once, cutting some joinery. So I didn't show you how I assembled it, but who gives a shit about the assembly process? You want to see how it works. So here you go, you can watch the same clip that was at the start of the video. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a series making backyard games, so stay tuned for that. And please like the video so that the guy will give me candy. So thank you for watching. See you later, alligator. Bye bye, butterfly.